In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about the differences and unique features of Notion AI and Microsoft Copilot. Both of these tools are excellent examples of AI-enhanced productivity applications, but they cater to slightly different needs and environments. To start off, Notion AI is embedded within the Notion, which is well known for helping teams with writing, summarizing, and managing knowledge effectively. On the other hand, Microsoft Copilot is integrated across Microsoft 365 applications like Word, Excel, Teams, and Outlook, making it an ideal choice for broad enterprise-level productivity. Let's delve into the details for Notion AI first. It's particularly beneficial for teams that rely heavily on Notion for notes, documents, databases, and collaboration. Some of its strongest features include exceptional content creation and editing capabilities within pages, and a comprehensive knowledge search across Notion and connected tools like Slack and Google Drive. It's designed to be easy and seamless to integrate without the need for any coding or complex setup. However, Notion AI does have some limitations. It's most effective within the Notion ecosystem and might not hold up as well when it comes to large-scale enterprise automation or complex data workflows. Additionally, to access its full range of AI features, you would need to be on a business or enterprise level plan. Now, moving on to Microsoft Copilot, which is particularly useful for organizations that are already using Microsoft 365 applications. A big advantage is its wide reach, working effortlessly across numerous applications such as Word, Excel, Outlook, Teams, and PowerPoint. It's also incredibly strong in generating data analyses, reports, summaries, and managing meeting insights with great efficiency. Security is another crucial strength, as Microsoft Copilot integrates deeply via Microsoft Graph, ensuring enterprise-grade protection. In terms of limitations, using Microsoft Copilot can come with a higher cost and licensing complexities. It also requires some setup and training, which might be a hurdle for teams looking for instant plug-and-play capabilities. It isn't specifically tailored for content-heavy, workspace-style tasks, unlike Notion. So, which one should you choose? If you are focused on tasks involving writing, note-taking, creating team wikis, and enhancing workspace productivity, Notion AI is likely the right fit. Alternatively, if your priority lies in handling enterprise workflows, data analysis, managing emails, and conducting meetings, Microsoft Copilot could be the better choice. Interestingly, if your team uses Notion for internal documentation and Microsoft 365 for formal communication and reporting, incorporating both might provide the optimal setup for covering a wide array of productivity needs. I hope this comparison has helped clarify how each tool can meet different needs. Whether you choose Notion AI, Microsoft Copilot, or a combination of both, you're enhancing your team's productivity with AI-driven capabilities. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech insights.